Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix screen want to turn on issue on Samsung A37. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so restart phone. Just click and hold side power button and click on this restart and click on this again restart icon. You will see your phone is restart. After restarting, go back to home screen and enter your phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management. After click on general management, click on reset and click on reset all settings. Reset settings, enter phone pin, click on continue and again click on reset. You will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management and click on reset. After click on reset, click on factory data reset and scroll down and click on reset. After click on reset, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix screen won't turn on issue on Samsung A37. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.